Hi everyone. So in this class I just want to teach you some more interesting things of the PHP, and I just want to teach you about the arrays right now. What are the arrays and how to use them? So guys, basically the arrays are really interesting part of PHP, and why to use the arrays, I'm just going to show you the logic behind the arrays, that why we should learn and why should make the arrays and how we can use them. For example, here I'm just typing the day. Now the day is, or the month is January. Okay, now save, and now I'm echoing the month. Echo, and then sorry, not in this way, I'm just simply echoing the month. Save and go to the browser. I'm removing this simple paragraph, the HTML text. Save and go to the browser and refresh the page. So now the January is there. Okay, perfect. Go back, and basically it is perfect. But for example, you just want the second month, so I just need to type the just before the echo here, the month 2 and the February. Save, and now the month 2 is there. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Okay, now I'm just getting the February, but basically they are different. This one is another variable, this one is another variable. Why not we should connect, we should connect all the data of the month, means all the months, all the 12th month, in a single variable. How to do that? For example, I just type the months. So the months, you know that the month and the months, the singular and the plural, I just want to make some kind of plural thing. I just want to show you how to do that. Just make the array. I'm gonna make the first ever array for this course, this whole course in this class, and what I'm just typing month. Okay, now the month should be the array. Okay, I'm just applying the array function. This is called the array construct array method. Okay, there are some ways and methods to declare an array, and this one is the array construct. So the month, and now we just need to put the data in this array, the months. Okay, we just declared that the months. Now the months has a function named array, so I'm just gonna put the content. So now how to make different content, how to save different content in a singular array, single variable. This one is the months. Now the number 1, this one is called the indexed array. I'm making the index array. Now the equal sign, and for the months first data, there is the January. Okay, the January has the index 1. The months, oh yeah, should be capital, must be small, not the capital, sorry. The 2 February. Okay, the 3 months, 3 March. Months 4 April. I'm just gonna end that just here, the month. I'm just putting the 6 months only. That's perfect. The 5th is May. The month 6 is okay, June. Okay, so fine, save. Now how to print any data of the array? I'm just pressing in space, and I'm just echoing the months. Which one do you want to print? I just want to print the 4th. Save and go to the browser and refresh the page. So now I'm getting the April. Do you want the 1? So save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I'm getting the January, because the first one is the January. This is called the indexed array, and in this way we just create the array construct. It just looks like the simple variables. For example, just suppose that this one is another variable, this one is another variable, but they all them has the same alphabets, the months. So the 1 2 3. So by the way, this one is the index array. I can make them the associative arrays as well. I'm gonna show you how, but later on. But for now, I just want to show you another thing. I just want to show you how we can modify them. Or I think before that, I should teach you about the associative arrays too. Associative array. Arrays. Okay, save and press enter, and then here I'm just typing days, and then equal to an array, the function, and press enter, and then the days, and I'm just typing inside the single or double quotes the name of the array. Okay, instead of the number, I'm just typing here the MON, and or instead of the MON only the MN, or I think MON is more perfect to understand, by the way. And then here the data, MONDAY, Monday, the days, oh sorry, yes, days, Tuesday, TUE, and the TUESDAY, Tuesday. And in the same way, days, THU, and equal to the Thursday. Press, oh sorry, here I just put the S, which should not be there. And then the days, WED, Wednesday, and equal to Wednesday. D must be small. Days. Oh, I think I did a little mistake. Well, remove that, this is not necessary. Just cut the Wednesday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, that's perfect. Save, and then what more we need? Just press enter and echo the BR, and then the echo, and then here the days. Now I just want to show the WED, Wednesday. Save, and I'm going to the browser and refresh the page. So now there Wednesday, you can see that this is called the associative arrays. So both of them you just understood. Why not we just learn some more interesting things? The next way to make an array, here I'm just typing the another way is array identifier, IER. Okay, but before that I just want to show you another really simple method, the indexed way, but little changed. I'm just typing here the indexed arrays, and here I'm just making another way to make an array, the fruits, and equal to the arrays. Now sorry, not the arrays, only the array, and now the fruits, and just put the square brackets, don't need to put the numbers, the indexes. Now I'm just putting the apple, the banana, fruits, banana, the fruits, equal to, and then the grapes, and then just put another one, fruits, equal to, which one, the guava. Okay, now save, and then here I'm just adding another echo. I just want to show you this way because this is really important, I think. The BR, the echo, fruits. Now which one do you want? I just want to print out the grapes, so let's just type the 2, save, and go. I'm going to the browser, refresh. Now I'm just getting grapes. But why I'm getting grapes on number 2? Because you can see that this one is number 1, number 2, number 3, but actually the array starts from the 0. Okay, because the 0 has a value in any programming language. So the apple is number 0, the banana is number 1, the grapes is number 3. Okay, any index it's number 3, but basically it's the third element. Okay, but it starts from 0 if we talk about the index. So in index way it's 2. So by the way, this way is understood by you. Why not we should talk about the arrays identifier. So just cut that. I'm just printing the array identifier here. Inner. Let's just work on an array identifier. So now I'm just making the vegetables, echo array. And now what I'm just gonna do, I'm just going inside the array, and in this way just put the content for the first one. I'm just adding the the onion, comma, potato, comma, tomato, comma, which one, the lady finger. Okay, so now this one is called the array identifier. Now this is again the indexed array. That means this one is an index number 0, this one is index number 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, only 3. So now just echo again the br, the echo vegetables, and then not in this way, you know, the way it should be changed. Now I'm just gonna print out 0. So go to the browser and refresh the page. So now the onion is there because I just want to print. I just printed the 0. If I just type the 2 and save and go to the browser and refresh, now the tomato. So I think you just understood all these things. Now I just want to show you how we can modify the array. So the modifying the arrays. Now do you want to modify this one? Okay, so the months, which month do you want to modify? Months, modifying, or adding. I think adding should be the next one. So now modifying, and sorry, this is really important to clarify which data of the array do you want to modify. I just want to modify the for example, I just press the may or the MEY. Okay, now I'm going to modify the months 5. So now the months 5 here I'm modifying, and now what the data, I just want to put the new as new MAY. So now in this way we can modify the data. Okay, this is, I think, really simple, that we can simply modify the data of any array. Press enter. I'm going to select the next one, the fruits. It has the same way. Fruits. Now let's just select which one do you want to update or modify. I just want to modify the 0, 1, 2, the 2. So now, however, we just didn't modify, we just didn't put the numbers here, but it has numbers. So now when modifying, we just need to call the numbers as well. So now number 2, I'm just putting strawberry. I can put anything, by the way, strawberry. Save, and now why not I should check out this strawberry, because the fruits is already calling there. Refresh, the grapes is now strawberry because that's updated. Berries, IES. Now save and refresh the page. So now in this way I think you just understood that. Or why not just print the month 5, which one is that? So now press enter and then echo and then BR as well. Save, and I'm going to the browser and refresh the page. So now the January and the May and the Wednesday and all that things are there in a perfect method. So what more? Do you want to see that one too? Exactly, in the same way you can do that. The days, which one do you want to update? I just want to update the THU, okay, and the value I just want to put as Friday. Okay, no matter, whatever, we just want to check out. We're just doing this for learning, so no issue at all. Echo the days, THU, and save, and just put the semicolon and go to the browser and refresh the page again. Now the Friday, however, that was the THU was the Thursday there, but now it's the Friday. So now in the same way, if you just want to add some more content, so let's just add that too. Adding new elements. Okay, so now simply, the last one was the 6, so now the months 7, since there is no 7, if I just go to the top, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is no 7. By the way, the array starts from the 0, so it should be, there should be 0 as well, by the way. So there, after the June, there is July, and then just echo that. In this way, we are just simply adding new content, the months 7. I think this is really simple to add new content. You can see that just adding new element, and then just mention the new number, the last number, just the number after the last number, and the July is there. Okay, and here if you just want to modify the associative array, so that's really simple. Just simply type the days, and the next one, the Saturday, equal to Saturday, and save. And now I'm going down and just pressing enter and echoing the BR and the echo the days. Oh yeah, the days. And which day? This Saturday. Save and go to the browser and refresh the page. So that is perfect. And okay, now I think you just understood how to add new elements in the array, how to modify the array, how to make the arrays in a different ways. I just teach you all the ways which are possibly working, but I just want to teach some more things about the arrays, that you know that this is the array identifier, the any identifier way, how to use the associative arrays, how to make the associative arrays. You know that we can make the associative array in this way, but in this way we also can make the associative arrays. So the vegetable, sorry, not the vegetables anymore, the employees. Okay, and here array, and let us put the employees. First of all, the key of the array, these are the keys, you know. I'm gonna put the key, the MAN, or the manager. Let's just type the complete, the manager, then the cyan, then the John is a manager. Add a comma, another data of this array. I'm putting, sorry, the director, I'm putting here as the Mark. Okay, now another comma, and in the same way the CEO, chief executive, Albert, whatever. I just typed, by the way. So now go there and let's just print this, the array identifiers associative array here, the echo, the BR, and then echo day, sorry, not the days anymore, the employees. And now which one I just want to print? I just want to print out the CEO, which is the CEO of this company. So go to the browser and refresh. The Albert is a CEO. Okay, that's perfect. I think you just perfectly understood that. Echo employees. Who's the manager? Manager. Save. Go to the browser. I'm going and refresh the page. So now the John is the manager. That is super perfect. The last thing I just want to teach you right now, the for each loop. But I think I should teach that in the next class because the class is getting too lengthy. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.